If you've ever opened SketchUp and wondered how to remove those grid lines from your workspace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to hide the lines you're seeing here, and I'll also explain the difference between axes and guides so you can clean up your model the right way. This is a simple fix, but knowing the difference will save you a lot of time and confusion while working in SketchUp. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that what many people call grid lines in SketchUp are often actually the axes. These are the red, green, and blue reference lines that help you orient your model. SketchUp does not use a traditional graph paper grid in the same way some other programs do, so if you're seeing those colored lines, you're likely looking at the axes. To hide them quickly, go up to the top menu bar and click View. From the drop-down menu, find Axes and click it once. The checkmark next to it will turn off, and the red, green, and blue lines will disappear immediately from your workspace. This is the fastest way to remove those visible reference lines when you want a cleaner view of your model. Now, if what you're seeing is not the red, green, and blue axes, but instead a set of dotted lines or a literal grid pattern, then you're probably looking at guides. Guides are commonly created with the tape measure tool or construction tools, and they can clutter your scene if you've placed a lot of them. To hide guides, go back to View in the top menu, then click Guides. That will toggle the guide visibility off, making your workspace look much cleaner. If you only want to temporarily hide them, this is the best option. But if you want to completely remove those construction lines from your model, go to Edit in the top menu bar, then choose Delete Guides. This will erase the guides entirely instead of just hiding them. That's especially useful if you use the tape measure tool to create a bunch of guidelines and now they're getting in the way of your modeling process. So just to recap, if you want to remove the red, green, and blue reference lines, use View and turn off Axes. If you want to hide dotted construction lines, use View and turn off Guides. And if you want to permanently clear those guidelines from the model, use Edit and select Delete Guides. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can remove grid lines in SketchUp and get a much cleaner workspace for modeling. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick SketchUp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.